The reason why I got my hand over this brick wall, because there's a purpose. You cannot go through this brick wall. But this brick wall is here for a reason. The reason why this brick wall is here is because it proves how badly we want things. How badly do you want to lose weight and become healthy? I've been big all my life. I don't want to be big anymore. Guess what? I'm not going to be big anymore. I'm doing something about it. You can do something about it too. If you need my help and you want my help, follow along with my YouTube channel, Changing Times, and we'll get through this together. I'm going to start putting up my recipes in the next couple of weeks, so be watching for those. We got some fun things going on. Every Wednesday, we're going to put up a segment called Skinny Wednesday. Once every now and then, we're going to put up a segment called Childhood Memories, what things we used to do when we were younger. And incidentally, no matter what age you are, don't stop having fun. Life is too short not to have fun. You got to get out there and have fun. If you're overweight and you can't move, you're not going to get out and have fun. You got to set yourself goals goals that you want to have fun and enjoy life. If you got, we don't have any kids, but if you got kids or a pet, go out and have fun with your kids and pets or your grandchildren. If you got grandchildren, I mean, I can't stress this enough. I mean, I'm not a doctor, and I'm doing this ketogenic lifestyle through my doctor. Seek help. There's plenty of help out there. Jess from Keto Rewind, she's doing a terrific job with the community. That's where I got my original inspiration from. And now we're taking it to the next level. So I'm going to let you guys go. Have a good day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for my latest updates. This is Ron. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good week.